Sarvajanik Education Society, 108-year-old organization catering to academic need of close to about 30,000 students of South Gujarat relentlessly. The flagship college is S.R. Luthra College of Management. This particular college, now running in its over 2 decades of existence, knows what is needed to cultivate future managers of India. Some of the finest managers are given from this institute to the industries in and around Surat.
Sharda Rani Luthra Institute of Management, as we call it LIM now in short form, had its foundation in 99 when me and my father were sitting together looking at some CSR on behalf of the company and decided that we should do related to business as we are people of industry. And nothing else could be better than building Luthra Institute of Management along with Sarvajanik Society. And now with the effort of the whole team of LIM, 21 years of success story, performing better than most of the institutes in Gujarat, ranking better at the national level is where we stand. And this is an appreciable effort.
S.R. Luthra Institute of Management, governed by the Sarvajanik Education Society, aims to make sincere attempts to reach out to the policy makers, industrial organizations, to give our valuable inputs, services on many important policy issues, training programs consistently through various approaches. This can be possible only when each one of us contributes to his or her as experts in the field.
SRLM aspires to become a global leader in imparting management education. We would certainly like that our students become professionals in the field in which they choose. However, we would always wish our students to become socially responsible citizens and valuable assets for the nation and society at large. Along with the core academic inputs that we give to our students, our focus has always been on their holistic development and trying to give them a real life experience of what is happening in the industry. For the same, the Institute has always strived to have MOUs with various organizations in the industry so that the students can go over there, take up internships, do projects, and learn a lot from what is actually happening in real life scenario.
A renewed sense of purpose is required for MBA in investing in their own learning, owning their own experiences and making it the way they want it. At SRLM, we breathe on punctuality, respect, empathy, competitiveness and integrity. Our students, they voluntarily participate in life projects, they manage industrial fair, they also have a lot of multidisciplinary projects to be handled, they visit a lot of community services and they do a lot of curricular activities. They know where they start and how to fit themselves.
We take pride in our students who have been constant contributors and achievers not just for their organization but also for the society and the nation at large. Empathy, holistic development and ethical pursuit of growth are the value systems we imbibe at our institute through their participation in multifaceted competitions. Our contingent is largest amongst all management institutes in Gujarat to enroll for the International Experience Program, a semester-long study at an international location. We believe in delivering the essence of the saying, ships are safest at the docks, but that's not what ships are made for.
At SR Luthra, we believe that career is an endless journey without limits and ceilings. It just not only describes what you are, but also what you aspire to be and how you can. During the last 5 years, we had placed over 95% students at various organizations of repute, starting from multinational giants such as Amazon, Vodafone, Saint-Gobain's, Citibank and Reliance, to national corporates like Berger Paints, Havells, Godrej Industries, ITC, Asian Paints, Kevin Care, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, to name a few. Being a responsible B school, along with the global, we strongly support local placements, and we had proudly served our Surti organizations like SRK Exports, KG Diamonds, Colortex, Asanjo Group, Raj Green Group, Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industries, and many more. Despite of the fact that salary is not a major concern, we are able to offer lucrative package of 10 lakhs plus on higher side, along with endless learning opportunities for our students. Welcome to the world of opportunities.
We have a team of 21 experienced and highly qualified faculties, and they are supported with 8 supporting staff. And we are pleased to share that we very recently were the recipient of Outstanding Institute of Excellence by the Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and very recently our institute has also been ranked second in the all of Gujarat in Management Institute category by Gujarat State Institutional Rating Framework. This small achievement is a testimony that we are slowly and steadily moving in the right direction. We are also happy that our alumni are doing wonders in their professional life, and they are making us proud. I assure you that if you are aspiring to become a management graduate, your 2 years at SR Luthra Institute of Management would be highly enriching and fruitful.